Just keep it casual.
So we're at, yeah, casual, totally. We're at RSA, and we've done some DevSecOps tracks, and yeah, hey, man. And so I just wanted to ask you some questions about this whole DevSecOps thing. So you guys want to introduce yourself?
All right. Hi, guys and girls. My name is Fabian. I'm from Singapore, but I went to the US for a while, learned my DevSecOps skills in the US, and now I'm back in Singapore.
You were DevSecOps before there was a DevSecOps.
Yeah. Yep.
I'm Stefan. Hi. I'm originally from Austria, but been living here in Asia for quite some time now. And I got into DevSecOps really because of DevOps days 2.5 years ago here in Singapore, where my background from penetration testing and secure development actually really got a new perspective on how things can be done right.
So you guys created a DevSecOps local meetup group. I think you might be the first one in the world that's done that. How'd you get that started? That was pretty cool.
So actually it was me and Suman as well back then. He's unfortunately not here today, but when I heard about DevSecOps, I was really like amazed. And then after the event, like at DevOps days here, I thought, it's great. There's no answers for security yet. I want to build a community where we can all come together and hopefully share our experiences and lessons learned with each other and start pushing the envelope of how things can actually be done. So it was really the DevOps days that led me to start the meetup here, and I was really glad when Fabian came just just 6 months ago or 7 months ago?
10 months ago, I came back to Singapore, and I was actually under Shannon Leeds, DevSecOps.
The lady.
Okay.
The lady, the red hair lady,
Oh,
who
cool.
founded DevSecOps.org.
Okay.
And from there, I gained some experience. And when I came back, I found a meetup group.
Oh, wow.
I
Okay.
immediately clicked join, and
Yeah.
I'm in.
And you guys, you got a pretty good mailing list now too, right? What are you up to?
Almost 1,000 now.
Okay, wow.
Close to that.
Yeah, and so I looked at kind of your Eventbrite site, and like you had or meetup.com, and just give me a couple examples, some really cool ones you've already had, like people who've showed up. Like what is like a cool DevSecOps story at a DevSecOps local meetup in Singapore? Yeah.
Good one.
I got all that in, right?
Yeah, a good one would be when we have really good stories to tell, and from different people within Singapore, like how they're doing DevSecOps. But the really, really good one is when people are actually bringing in their laptops, and I like to give workshops, and they're all doing the hands-on, they're asking questions, they're really
Hackathons and
learning.
stuff,
Yeah, just some simple stuff, or it can be really complicated, but that was fun.
Cool.
For me.
And building some like pipeline stuff with like kind of like traditional continuous integration delivery pipelines with some kind of dev or
Yep.
security.
It's all
embedded.
security minded.
Yeah,
Yep.
yeah.
Tools that we're using in the industry and how they get exposed. Like some of them have not used it, even though it's open source and it's out there. It's pretty
Yeah,
easy.
educating people on some of the really cool tools that exist that are free and open source, really cool.
And also lowering the barrier of entry, because if you heard about it, it might be daunting sometimes to actually get started. So if you have some really quick steps of how to get going, it's really helpful. I think Fabian did a really good job in the past with this. And for me, what was also cool is when we had James Wickett guest speaking
James, good guy,
at the last meetup. And thanks for Fabian for arranging that. And I think also like, even though I enjoy like people sharing their experience, I really enjoy when people get down and get their hands dirty and actually start doing stuff, because that's what really, in my opinion, changed the way people actually share their knowledge with others. Because if you've actually done it, you're more likely to show it to other people in your team or your company, and that's, I think, how we can spread DevSecOps.
Exciting stuff, guys. So we're at the RSA. Hey, look at that RSA conference 2017 in Singapore, and I want to thank you guys because you've got us a lot of people here tonight for this special meetup we did here, and then both you guys are amazing speakers. I'll try to find the links to those at our DevSecOps day that we had at RSA. Well, thanks again, guys. It was a pleasure hanging out with you.
Thank you, John.
Thanks, John.